Hola, Mrs. Buzz here, your instructions for today. This is your plan for today. We are going to learn how to use these two expressions. And for that, we're going to, I forgot. You're going to report your attendance. You're going to do your warm-up. Right here, it says responde en el espacio provisto abajo that you're going to answer this question in a complete phrase right here in the text entry box. Okay, back to me gusta and me gustan, me encanta and me encantan. We're going to watch this Gramactiva video to learn when and how to use it, and then we're going to complete this activity together. Let's go with the me gusta, me encanta. This is what we basically are going to learn. And this is in the video, and you're going to understand a little better once we start practicing. We already learned how to say me gusta to express what we like to do, like activities. But in this case, we're going to talk about things, nouns. So we're going to use nouns instead of actions. In this case, we can say what we like to like. I like apples. I like cars. I like houses. So we use nouns. When we use nouns, we're going to say me gusta, and we use a singular noun. We're going to use this expression that is right here. For example, me gusta el desayuno. That means I like the breakfast. Me gusta el desayuno. Now let's say that for breakfast, I like eggs. So instead of me gusta el desayuno, it says me gusta el desayuno is singular. I'm going to say I like eggs. Eggs is plural. So me gustan los huevos. So I'm going to say me gusta this expression for a singular noun, and I'm going to use this expression for a plural noun. But if I really like something, like it's not just that I like it, but I really, 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 really like it, then I say me encanta. And I apply the same rule. I use me encanta with a singular noun. For example, me encanta la leche. That is not true, but okay, just came out with that example. Me encanta la leche. That is a singular noun. We use me encanta. For a plural noun, we use me encantan los jugos, just los jugos. Because we have jugo de manzana or jugo de naranja, that means fruit juice, like apple juice and orange juice. So me encantan los jugos, me encantan. So you see, use this one for a plural noun. So that makes the difference. That makes the difference. That's what we're going to be seeing in the video that we have for today, and then we complete this activity together. That's all for today. I'll see you in class. Hasta pronto.